you ain't got no alibi. You ugly. What? You ugly. What? Do it again. This too? She is? She pooped. I was excited. She pooped. Oh my God. What's that? Hunting stand. Oh my goodness. Whoa. How funny would it be if I fell off? Oh, it doesn't look good. Alright, where is it? It's back there. Oh my God! That's the river. And it flooded onto here. Ski! There's a branch. What else is there? 1, 2. Alita loves molasses. Who you call a cutie queen, you wet liquor? Duck! I mean, goose. You better get out of here. I get a lot of you. I have none of me. Want me to take it? Nah. Who you call a cutie queen, you wet liquor? Alright, no splashing. Oh, why is it so zoomed in? Okay, so that's the real river. And, yeah, it's Kristen in the water. Good, it's water therapy. It's water therapy for free. Holy
He's cleaning his tail.
Oh, he's getting his tack all wet.
Oh my God.
It's a little deep.
Really deep.
My foot, these shoes always get wet.
Oh my God.
Kind of scary. A little deep. Just a little, you know, you see. It's normal. You know. Yeah.
My feet touch the ground.
Not really ground, it's kind of water.
It's kind of cold out.
Yeah, so this is the river.
On the field.
Where are they? There they are. They're the duckies. Yeah, we're going. Oh my God! It got deep. It's really deep. Duckies. No thanks.
Get him.
River, where it's supposed to be. Oh, my feet are wet. Like my polar wraps. Yeah. I also have an umbrella, but. Oh yeah. That'd be okay. All right. Oh my God, it's deep. Woo! See, grass. Yeah, it's supposed to be a field, river, Reno, Alita, Kristen, me, geese. I'm not really gonna. No, don't. I'll let that fall off. Ah, it's deep.
Alright,
where are we going? Explore where it's more flooding. This is so fun. Look at the grass. Our ponies are so good. Alright, we just walked like 10 miles all in the water. Like a mile. But still, that's a lot. And here's the grass. But it flooded from the river all the way over there. But we had like 3 days of rain, so it's kind of believable. Hopefully we won't step in a hole. Just a little. Yeah, it's pretty deep, so. I hope this guys isn't boring. We'll edit some of it out. Grass, you know, views.
Alita's hair.
Alita's hair? Water. More water. Really. Oh, it got deep. It's on my wrist. This is deep. Alright, I will. Nah. Yeah, bless you. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh God, I almost fell. I fell in that too. That was scary. Yeah, so we just got out of the flood. Here we go. Bridge that's really high. Usually it's like a little creek, so little flood. He's really scared because he's a chicken. Oh, jeez. You know what? Puddle!
What?
Puddle.
Oh, this is a squirrel.
My feet are soaked. Oh, it's a scary puddle, you know.
Oh.
Oh, that was good. In the puddle. Yeah, our horses aren't very good of I'm scared of puddles, you know. Huge. I think we should go back that way. It was fun. More puddles. We're out of the puddle now. Genius. I'm glad it's not raining because we can enjoy the flood without.
Get it? She said that. Come on.
It looks really cool. He's gonna roll! I don't know how I'm gonna do this one-handed.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Spontaneous hammering.
That'd be, oh my god. Circle and it was Phil.
He's gonna be hammering, he was like jumping.
Do it again. Oh my god, that's so cute. Stop. So.
She has straight hair.
I do.
Pretty bad roots though, but what else?
Thanks. Yeah, they got wet all the way up to here.
Yeah, that's it.
Just a little bit.
Kind of wants why.
And he got wet all the way up here. And play slides.
Oh, do that again. Alright, wait.
Fight. I kiss his eye. Still a good boy. Cute. You got a chicken? And she rides my pony? Yeah. She's chilling out up there. No, Fluffy, it's okay. She's our good girl. Right, Fluffy? I jumped with her. I had her like this, and Rena was like, dum dum, and we jumped. Right, Fluff? That's
She's
our little
fluffy. Zoom, 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 zoom.
No, don't jump, it's okay. She's very afraid of their feet.